We'll guide you through how to connect Instagram to Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and so you want to go and connect it to Facebook. When you go and do this, it then means you can go and post on both platforms at once, and it's just convenient to go and have them connected as they're both your accounts. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip anything, as we're covering important steps throughout this whole guide with what you need to do. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to do this, we are doing this in Instagram. So go and open up Instagram. Now what you can do is come to your Instagram profile page. So to do this, you can go to the bottom right and you can go and see your profile icon there. So once you're here, what you then need to do is you want to go and make sure you've got the correct one selected. If you've got multiple accounts, switch between them by pressing your name at the top. Then what you can do is you can go and press the three lines in the top right, and this opens up settings and activity. Now here, do not scroll down. What you're looking for is account center, and that's going to be right at the top. You can go and see it there already, and this is going to go and give you different information about your account. You can go and manage your connected experiences and account settings. So of course, in this case, we can go and set up the connection. So you want to go and scroll down, and near the bottom, you're going to see the option for manage accounts, pretty much at the bottom, really. So what you want to do is go and tap manage accounts and wait. You can see I've got some different Instagram accounts in here. And what you want to do is go and press add accounts. It'll go and load, and it says add Facebook, add Instagram, add WhatsApp. So of course, in this case, we're going to be adding Facebook. So you want to go and press add Facebook account. Now do keep watching. So in this case, it's actually gone and found the account here. In your case, let's say I press not you, you're going to get taken to the sign in, and you can go and sign into your account. It'll go and look like this, and you can go and enter in your mobile or email, your password, and go and log in. Now in my case, it's already found it, so it's a bit easier, but for you can just enter your details there, and we can then go and press continue. And then what you can do is read this through and understand about adding your accounts and what we're going to be allowing. So it's basically going to go and allow them to go and combine and use your info across accounts in this account center on different Meta company products. So read this through, make sure you understand it, and you can then press allow and finish adding at the bottom. You can go and see it's now appearing at the bottom, which is great. So I can then press back in the top left, and we can close out of this. And I'll just go and show you if you press the plus in the top left and press on post. I'll go and select something I want to go and post. We can press next again. Scroll down, you can press also share on, and you can then see the Facebook account we just did this with. That's it.